broomsticks. You sure took your time getting over here, soldier. Don't start slacking up on your training now. The land of the undead is no walk in the park. So quit your lollygagging and get to work. Just pull that lever to get started with your training. Alright, time to see what you're made of. Take out all these greebles. Don't pull back. That'll do, Skylander. That'll do just fine. I might seem hard on you, but that's only because you're the best chance we got at getting Master Eon back. Your vehicle should be all prepped for the trip to the land of the undead now. So go and find Flynn when you're ready to head out. You come back in one piece, soldier, or you'll have me to answer to. Dismissed!
I am Secret Ninja Commando Operative 11 and 3/5. It's my mission to issue your top secret supercharged challenges. Supercharger combo is authorized. Proceed to your challenge.
Stick to the training program, Skylander!
Ahoy there, Skylander! You sure you're ready to head out? Because we can take all the time you need. Maybe have a snack or something? Today's meatloaf day!
Flynn, it's okay to be a little scared. I mean, none of us want to go to the land of the undead.
Hey, I'm not scared. I just happen to really like a good meatloaf. Sheesh.
The land of the undead must be where those transports were taking us. I bet Count Moneybone built some kind of terrible prison there.
Uh-oh, that means Master Eon might not be the only person in trouble. We better get moving. There's no time to waste. Are you ready, Skylander?
Oh, hello! You know, I've spoken with thousands of kings and tyrants, and do you know what they all have in common? Worry. Well, worry no longer. My name is Count Moneybone, and I'm here to help. Traditional dungeons and detention centers foster anger and resentment among detainees. But not here. Why, even the who's who of Skylands will pop in for an invigorating stay in one of our luxury Traptanium penthouse suites. Oh, my accommodations are quite lush. Come to the dimensional dungeon of dehabilitation and look at things from a new perspective.
Call me crazy, but I don't think this Moneybone fella's on the up and up.
You think?
This place looks nothing like the brochure. Someone should talk to this Moneybone fella about integrity in advertising.
Maybe we can do that after we free Master Eon from that Traptanium prison, Flynn.
I see where that could be a priority. Alrighty, so what's the plan?
That gate looks pretty hefty. I think we'll need to track down some heavy-duty explosives.
Yeah, I'm following you. Let's start things off with a boom, right?
Those barrels can only drop so much explosive powder, Skylander.
Skylanders of the tech element are stronger in this zone.
Special Agent 321, designation Softpaw at your service and reporting for duty. Operation Little Lost Sheep is underway. I have spent months infiltrating this detention center to determine the best way to safely extract Master Eon from Moneybone's clutches. It's going to be tough, but we can do it! I have mastered the use of these perspective gates. Passing through them will change your gravitational orientation and allow you to get past Moneybone's defenses. Good luck, Skylander. See you on the other side. Softpaw, going dark.
Prisoner transfer complete.
Rendezvous achieved! Glad to see you made it, Skylander. This path leads to the detention center proper. You'll have to use your vehicle with the land designation to reach the compound. Keep your head on a swivel, Skylander. There's danger everywhere. Softpaw, out!
Slamming through that big prison gate would set off some kind of alarm.
Please pull over and put your hands in the air.
You were saying?
Are committing multiple movement violations. Please cease and desist.
Look out for those spotlights. Once they get a bead on you, they'll open fire. See if you can find a powder keg of explosives to use on that gate, Skylander. Try to stay out of the spotlights.
Excellent work, Skylander! You have infiltrated the dark and crusty underbelly of Moneybone's detention center. You'll have to stay frosty going forward. They've activated more of those dangerous security spotlights. If they spot you, blammo! Continue to Moneybone's tower to extract Master Eon. I will rendezvous with you at the next checkpoint.
Barrels, concrete, jungles, banana coal.
Skylanders of the air element are stronger in this zone.
Thank goodness you're here, Skylander. We managed to commandeer a bunch of transport ships to get the prisoners out of here, but it was a trap. The guards have deployed grappler beams and pinned the transport ships. You have to help us. Well, you don't have to, but it would be great if you did.
You must have a sky vehicle to enter this zone.
Stealth Stinger.
Vehicles of the
Those guard ships.
Hardwood shielding. Waxed wood plates. Acorn armoring. Lacquer. Petal. Pine cone rope.
The transport's locked up with grappler beams. You have to take them out, Skylander.
Caught in the grappler beams! Help!
I've been paroled!
We made it! Woohoo! Keep it up, Skylander. Another set of transports is on the way. Elite fighters are inbound, Skylander. We can't break free. Someone help us.
Caught in the grappler beams! Help! Wow! We're free! Wow! We're free! Hey! That creepy statue thingy's waking up!
It sealed the way out. You'll need to dock at that tower to deactivate that statue, Skylander. Be careful. Make sure they get out safely. We can't escape from these grappler beams. From these grappler beams. Skylander. Now let's get back on the road and free Master Eon. Thanks for freeing us, Skylander. Let's get out of here.
Thanks for getting our people out of this place, Skylander.
Spotlight.
You do not want to be here when the guards arrive. I've seen things I can't unsee, even when my eyes are closed. Get moving, Skylander!
Barrel Blaster. Supercharge.
Vehicles of the Earth element are stronger in this zone.
This is it, Skylander. The mission to end all missions. It's time to put Operation Spirit Extraction Sequence into full effect. I'm working on a shorter name. Now, Count Moneybone has placed devastating security spikes all along the road leading to the tower. They are really pointy. You'll have to take my word for it. Master Eon's Traptanium prison is at the top of that scary tower. My work here is done. I'm going full dark. It's all up to you now, Skylander.
These drainage pipes are our ticket out of here, Skylander. But Moneybone's troops have sealed up the exit. We need someone to dive down and clear any blockage. Then we can ride the whirlpool funnel out to freedom.
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone.
Dive bomber. Substream jets. Torpedo buoy. Deep. Power.
Skylander. Clear that junk, and the Mabu will be home free. Great work, Skylander. Now it's time to send my people down a watery funnel slide of liberty.
Blaster. Supercharge.
You know, my luxury Traptanium penthouse suite was originally designed for just one prized prisoner. But it can easily accommodate two, Skylander. Oh, unless, of course, you were planning on breaking the old fool out. Well, I hate to disappoint you. Actually, I don't. But Lord Chaos has other plans for him. So, ready yourself for battle, Skylander, and prepare to wallow in a footbath of epic failure!
Count Moneybone.
If it's a duel you wish for, Skylander, a duel it shall be! On guard, and start your engines! I control the vertical and horizontal, and everything between! I wasn't ready yet! Let's try that again! If it doesn't burn, you won't learn! You'll see I am quite skilled when it comes to fisticuffs. Let's shed some light on your issues. Try to look at things from a different angle, Skylander. This light show is just for you, Skylander. Hey, stop doing that! It's quite effective and annoying! It's my burning fiery dust, Skylander! Impossible! My skills are supreme! Alright! Now you've really gone and gotten my stash in a twist! Take this!
Chaos has given him more power than ever before.
You are vexing me with your persistent vexiness!
Your vehicle is more powerful than Moneybone, Skylander. Don't give up.
You're getting me really hot around the collar! Curse it! You may have some meager skill after all! You're going to flip over this one! It appears that we need to cause a bit of a ruckus to make our point!
Silent but deadly.
someone needs some rehabilitating. I think some group discussion will be helpful. Any great overlord knows how to delegate tasks, Skylander. You're really pushing me to the edge. Everyone, this is the Skylander. Skylander, this is everyone. I think you'll find I far outcurse you, Skylander.
Fuel the fire! Quickly, Skylander! Don't allow him to escape!
You fanned the flames of my indignation.
Yeah!
It's crush hour.
My skills are supreme! I won't sully my hands any further. Lackeys? We're not even on the same plane of existence. I think some group discussion will be helpful. Hey, stop doing that! It's quite effective and annoying. You are beneath my attention. Deal with this, lackeys! Curse it! You may have some meager skill after all. You're in the line of fire now, Skylander! Time for a new perspective. I think someone needs some rehabilitating. Looks like it's just you, me, and my left.
See the light.
You are vexing me with your persistent vexiness!
Moneybone is nearly defeated!
Skylander! Skylander, this is everyone!
Cut to the chase!
How about thee?
Do not hesitate. Count Moneybone is ruthless.
You're in the line of fire now, Skylander! Time for a new perspective!
Well done.
Wait! What I fail to understand, Moneybone, is how you botched the one job you had to keep that old fool Eon locked up!
It was the Skylanders! There was nothing I could do! They were terribly heroic.
Enough! Is there anything else?
Actually, now that you mention it...
Lord Chaos?
What is it now?
Sir, it's the darkness. It's asking for you.
You hear that, Glumshanks? It knows my name. Don't just stand there, fool! Dial it in!
Lord Chaos? Are you sure this is such a good idea?
Just do it!
I am the darkness.
No, that's ridiculous. Try again.
All shall fear and obey me. Oh, yeah. That's more like it.
Why, that's remarkable, Glumshanks. What did you do?
Nothing, sir. It turned itself.
Hey there, Chaos. I understand you've had a few setbacks.
Well, if by setbacks you mean the Skylanders, then...
There's no setbacks. Everything's fine here. Just fine.
Relax. It's no big deal. I'm here now. Everything is going to be just fine.
It is?
Of course. Skylands is only the beginning. Once we're done with this place, you and me, we're going to conquer every single world in the universe.
Did you hear that, Glumshanks? The whole universe!
All you've got to do is keep feeding me that magic, and then everyone is going to fear the darkness.
And chaos!
Yeah, and chaos. Which reminds me, say hi to your mom for me.
Here goes nothing.
Greetings, Portal Master. Thank you for rescuing me. It is wonderful to see all of you, but we have no time to waste. Even though Count Moneybone's Rehabilitation Center has been shut down, Chaos is still out there wreaking havoc across all of Skylands.
I saw that Sky Eater up close. How can we possibly stop something so powerful, Master Eon?
The Sky Eater itself is not the problem, Hugo.
Fiddlesticks! I don't like the sound of this.
It is what stirs within it that we should fear. shielded by the enchanted armor of Chaos's Doom Station, is the last remnants of the darkness, and it is growing ever more powerful.
Oh, well, that's only the most evilest force in all Skylands. Don't sound so bad. Supposing you have any idea how we'd go about stopping it?
As long as the core of light shines, the darkness will remain within that sky-eating monstrosity. For now. But we must act quickly before all of Skylands is destroyed. Come, Hugo. We have much to do.
Sure is good to have Master Eon back. If anyone can get us pointed in the right direction, it's him for certain.
I'll say, we can't keep this island moving forever. Eventually, we're gonna run into something unpleasant. Oh no, it's him.
Attention racing fans! The Skyland Speedway is open for business! And now presenting the Prince of Pontification, the Sultan of Swagger, the reigning hoopla of all hucksters, me, Pendergast! And I will be your host for this and many other stupendous racing events. So, come one, come all, and test your skills against the fastest fleet of flyers, drivers, and divers this side of Skylands. Earn cash, prizes, and that one invaluable and incalculable award, fame and glory!
Pendergast is one of my less upstanding associates from my old days, Skylander. You better make sure he's not up to something.